Salafalava, my name is Moeata Keil. I'm a lecturer at the University of Auckland and an MBIE Science Whitinga Fellow. My research looks at how Pacific families make arrangements for their children after the children's parents have separated. My parents separated when I was very young, so I sort of have that personal interest to it as well, seeing all of the care and support and stuff happening around me. I went through my whole degree, and outside of the papers I took in Pacific Studies, I did not see a Pacific person, a Samoan person, Samoan mother, a Samoan woman, a Pacific mother, a Pacific woman. And I'm having to do a lot of that connecting work of how to think through these ideas or these big themes through a Pacific lens. I was halfway through my degree when I fell pregnant with our oldest daughter, Sophia. So I took a year off, came back, finished my undergrad. I completed my honors and started my master's, and then we had our second child, Carmine. The timing of it actually worked really well for me. I could combine studying with mothering, so I spoke in particular to Pacific mothers who were struggling financially. If they were struggling financially and they were entitled to receive formal child support, what was the barrier, what was the disconnect between their reality of struggling and them pursuing child support? Why didn't they want to pursue child support? So I started my PhD, which looked very generally at Pacific parents, mothers and fathers' experiences of family life after they separate, which has lended to my Whitinga Fellowship, where I'm looking not only at Pacific parents, but I'm looking at extended family members. We have parents and everyone talking about extended family, but we don't have the research. I now have a permanent position in the department I wanted to be in and the faculty I wanted to be in at the university I wanted to be at. And I do believe that this fellowship had a huge part to play in that. It made me extend my research. Also, it shows the university that I'm doing research that matters and that people and institutions and government are wanting to fund. I've been lecturing since 2015, but on contract to contract that sort of rolls over, and you're not really sure what the next year holds. So to have some certainty, or to be part of the furniture is a really rewarding, and just really like, not I've arrived, but I'm kind of,